This instructional video will demonstrate how to set up your new Kyocera P2040dw printer. Open the box and locate the bag that contains the manuals and DVD. Remove the machine from the box and place it on a flat surface. Remove all packing tape. Press this button to open the front cover and pull this piece of tape and remove the yellow cardboard instruction sheet. Remove the cartridge by pressing this blue button and gently shake it back and forth 5 or 6 times. Return the cartridge to the machine and rotate it so these two arrows are facing each other. You should hear an audible click when the cartridge is secure. Close the front cover. Plug the power cable into the back of the printer. Power on the printer by pressing the power button found on the lower right front of the machine. Allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 10 minutes to complete, so please be patient. The machine will be ready for the next steps when the power indicator light is solid. You will be asked to select a language. English is the displayed language. Press OK. Next you'll be asked, managed by admin, yes is office, and no is home. The office selection requires a password for some functions. The home selection does not use a password function. It is recommended to use the home function. Press the down arrow key to find and select home function. Press OK. The machine should return to ready. Next, we'll be setting current date and time on the printer. To configure the date and time, press the menu key. Press the down key to find and highlight device common. Press the right arrow key. Using the up-down arrow key, find date setting and press the right arrow key. You may now press the OK key. Use the left-right keys to move from entry to entry. Adjust each as needed. Once complete, press the OK key. Now you may set the other time functions. Press the down arrow key until you reach time setting. If the time displayed is not the current time, use the arrow keys to set the time. Press on OK. Select your time zone or city and press on OK. In our example, we will select Central Time Zone. Push the down arrow. The panel will say Summertime Off. Press OK. Press the down arrow to On. Press OK. Press Menu. The Kyocera P2040dw printer is set at the factory to work at altitudes up to 3,280 feet. If you're at an altitude higher than 3,280 feet, you must set the printer to your altitude to maintain print quality. You'll also find this adjustment in the P2040dw Operation Guide. With the printer running, press the menu key. Scroll through the list to find Adjust Maintenance, press the right arrow key. Scroll to Service, press the right arrow key. Scroll through the menu to find Altitude Adjustment and press on OK. Select the altitude range of your location. 1,001 meters to 2,000 meters is for altitudes of 3,281 feet to 6,561 feet. Choose 2,001 meters to 3,000 meters for altitudes of 6,562 to 9,842 feet. Select 3,001 meters to 3,500 meters for altitudes of 9,843 feet up to 11,483 feet. After making your choice, press on OK. Exit out of the menu by pressing on the menu key. It is now time to add paper to your printer. Please refer to the P2040dw Adding Paper video. These instructions are also available in the P2040dw Operation Guide.